Okay. Hey guys. Today, actually a couple weeks ago, no, not a couple, I can't talk today. It was Sunday. Today's Thursday. So Sunday I ordered a G14 deck and some FlatFace Black River Edition wheels. And I'm here to unbox those today. And it came really fast. As I said, Sunday to Thursday, so that's 4 days, I think. Yeah. And I'm gonna unbox that. I don't have any scissors. I'm gonna go get some. Right back. Got some scissors. So I'm just gonna do it like a letter opener, come across like that. And I've got a lamp back here that I can turn on for more light. That's a lot better. Okay, I don't want to see the color of the deck yet. FlatFace, yeah, just FlatFace sticker. I think there's the wheels. Yeah, there's the wheels. FlatFace pizza avocados thingy mouth, whatever. Sticker. FlatFace pizza sticker. FlatFace, whatever this is, sticker. In case you were wondering, Dark Wood has a ball. Sticker. And Cat's FlatFace sticker. And whoa. Orange deck. This is like exactly what I asked for. Like, I didn't ask for orange specifically, but I told them I had red bushings and orange pivot cups, and I asked for something that would go well with that. So this is great. And now for the wheels. Oh, and Berlin wood sticker. That too. Black River Edition FlatFace wheels with a white FlatFace vinyl. I'm probably going to put the FlatFace vinyl on the deck. And yeah. So I didn't get a close-up of that. There's the wheels. And I'm going to flip this around, hold on. And there is the, let me turn this off, it's really glary. Hold on, there we go. This is the orange deck. It's really nice, and I like how they have the hole right in between those two for the, like if you have tech deck longboard trucks or something, and the the base plate, yeah, kingpin sticks out further, then that helps with that. So you don't have to change out base plates. Okay, I will be back with it set up on, like, with the Black River trucks. Okay, I'm back, and yes, I changed clothes because I had a shower, but here is the final product. I put the Black River trucks on this deck with the FlatFace wheels, and I put the white FlatFace vinyl on the bottom. And grip gap for FlatFace G14 right there. And the white balance seems pretty off in this video. I'm not sure, maybe I can fix that in the effects. And I put the dynamics I had before back on the Berlin wood with the Wysocki's, so I have a secondary setup. And these are the urethane, Kawasaki. And these wheels screech a little bit, but like I don't know what the material they're made of, because I feel like plastic, but it's obviously not plastic, because plastic wouldn't screech on wood like this. But I really like these wheels. Like, they're really smooth and they roll a long way, but when you just do this, they don't roll like at all. But it's just, like, that's not, you don't really need for it to be able to do that, but like, it rolls a really long way. So that's all that really matters. And like, it's also really smooth. If you have the wheels perfectly clean and a smooth surface, it just feels like you're riding on air. Just nothing. Like it's a hoverboard or something. Great. I can't land anything ever. Tray flip. Let me see if I can reach around here. That's probably a really bad angle though. I mean, let me see. Yeah, that's really bad. You can't see that at all. I don't really need to do tricks at the end of this video because this is just an unboxing video, but still. Yeah. I got better pictures of this on my Instagram. Same as my YouTube channel name, Gavin EFB. Just go follow my Instagram, and I've got a better picture of the deck and the grip gap there. Like, the white balance isn't so off and stuff, so it's more true to the colors and stuff. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.